In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Godaddy. Creating a button for your website can greatly enhance user interaction and guide visitors towards important areas of your site. Whether you want to boost your sales with a compelling Buy Now button or encourage contact with a Get in Touch button, the process is fairly straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to make this as seamless as possible. To get started, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account, so if you aren't already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Godaddy dashboard where you'll find a list of all the domains and websites you manage. It might seem a bit daunting at first glance, but don't worry, everything will make sense shortly. Now, locate the website you wish to edit. Click on the Edit Website option. This will take you into the Website Builder, Godaddy's easy and intuitive platform for making edits to your site. On your left, you should see a panel with a variety of options. This is the main toolbox for customizing your site. Look for an option in the panel that allows you to add elements or sections to your web page. Once you click that, a new set of options should appear, each representing different types of elements you can add. This includes text, images, forms, and of course, buttons. Select the button option to proceed. Once you select the button option, you'll see a newly placed button pop up on your web page canvas. It may not be perfect yet, but the good news is you can customize it until it fits your needs. Click the button to highlight it, and then you'll see related options for editing appear either on the side panel or directly above or below the button itself. This is where you can have fun with customization. You can change the button's text to say whatever you need, like Learn More or Shop Now. Simply click on the default text and type in your customized message. Additionally, you have the option to change the button style, choosing from various colors, sizes, and fonts to ensure it aligns with the overall design of your site. Don't forget the functionality. You can set a URL for where you want the button to lead. In the button settings, there will be an option to enter a link. It might be to a specific page on your site or perhaps an external link, whichever fits your goals. Double-check the link you've entered to avoid any broken paths or undesirable errors. After making all your customizations, remember to save your work. There should be a Save button at the top or bottom of the builder to make sure all changes are preserved. If you're ready, you can click Preview to see how the button looks in its natural habitat, so to speak, on your live website. It's always good practice to test the button to confirm it leads where you intend. And that's it. You've successfully added a button on Godaddy. With these steps, you're enhancing your user interface with clear calls to action that can help guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building!